All right, welcome back to part 42 of Friday Night Beer Tasting. So this is like the awards ceremony.
No, we have one more.
Oh, do we have one more? Okay, all right.
You get to use that.
Huh? Oh, okay, all right. So we got one more beer. We've had 39 beers tonight. Wait a minute. Hey, it's Friday Night Beer Tasting. Yeah. Hey, we're lit. We're lit. Okay. All right. So this is the last installment of Friday, and I'm going to leave my glasses on so that my, as you notice, my eyes are not closed all the way. All right. So tonight, right now, we got one more beer that's in the running, and we think it's in the running for this right here.
Oh no.
Suavecito beer.
You won't think it.
Oh, okay. All right. So anyway, all right. So we got one more. This is, and we hadn't had this brewery tonight. That this brewery really needs to be represented in all this kind of stuff. Okay, $49 for a freaking beer. Okay, all right. Monday Night Brewing out of Birmingham in Atlanta. We're familiar with the Birmingham location. Dude, these people know how to make beer. These people know how to make beer. So this is Monday Night Brewing Breakfast Anti-Mermaid. No, wait a minute. What is it? Breakfast Anti-Meridium. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? What is it? So you read this.
Breakfast Ante Meridium.
Okay, this is a maple bourbon barrel imperial brown ale with coffee and vanilla. I don't even know how you put that much stuff in a bottle. But we're going to open that thing up and look. We're going to use our little. Right,
this is
load it.
2021.
2021. So this is a vintage brew.
And it's, oh my God.
Tell us what it is, Nancy.
13.5%.
We're going to sleep on the patio tonight, y'all. All right. So this is this.
Oh, this is a big mistake.
So, all right. So, all right. 2021 Monday Night Brewing, Atlanta, Birmingham. We're familiar with the Birmingham location. I don't know if I mentioned that before.
This is a big imperial brown ale, aged in maple bourbon barrels.
Oh my God!
This year we legend.
God.
Oh my God!
Okay. All right. We're good. All right. Gather ourselves.
Multiple vintages of freshly roasted coffee
Multiple
beans.
what?
Vintages.
Okay.
With freshly roasted coffee beans and Ugandan vanilla.
Ugandan vanilla. You got to be
You're
kidding
supposed to
me.
serve this at 45 to 55 degrees temp, but it's a little warmer than that.
You think? Maybe. All right. So we're going to open this with our. Wait a minute. And the train's coming and everything. This is.
Oh!
Whoa!
My God!
Whoop, bang! All right, so the little shooter did its job. Okay, so the Monday Night Brewing Breakfast Ante Meridium Maple Bourbon Barrel Imperial Brown Ale
God,
with
I
coffee.
can smell it from here.
God, you can, can't you? All right. It's our 15th beer of the night.
Oh my God.
There it is right there. And are we afraid? No.
I am.
Because we're Friday Night Beer Tasters.
No, I am.
Are you?
These people will fuck you up. I'm telling you right now.
How much alcohol we got in this?
13.5.
13 is 26 proof. 27 proof.
Ew, it smells.
God, it smells good.
You think that smells good?
God! Listen, let me tell you something. Time out. That is a good tasting beer. That is a
What?
good tasting beer, no doubt.
This is the first brown ale you've ever liked.
But this has got marshmallow in it.
would have said marshmallow.
No, bourbon barrel, coffee, vanilla. This is not bad. Oh, God.
That is dangerous.
That is so dangerous. That's a really good beer, though.
If he likes it, it's dangerous. And it's 13.5.
Monday Night Brewing,
They are the
listen, there's several breweries that I talk about that whatever they do is
precision.
good. Monday Night Brewing, you have got it going on. I'll give that to you. Woo! That's everything that it said it was. It's maple.
That maple kick and vanilla kicks in.
Maple is hard maple vanilla. HMV, hard maple vanilla. I tell you what, that's not bad. God, that is like a grown up beer right there. Monday Night Brewing, right there. That's like a grown up beer right there. Only adults drink that beer right there. Wow, it's good. For a maple bourbon barrel imperial brown ale, I'm good with that. I can only
Where the hell did it go?
Mm.
That is really good.
Oh God. That's like the finale beer right there. That's good. Monday Night Brewing, amen. You're good. You do what you do and you do it really well. Try that.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, Dwayne. I'm sorry, Chris.
Oh my God! Just Saturday morning
I'm
haircut.
sorry.
Listen, give it 2 weeks. Please give that haircut 2 weeks, and it'll be good. Okay. Jeez. All right. Listen, for what it is, I'm sorry, but that's
Sorry, John.
that's close. That is close. I still have. Wait a minute. I still have my.
Wait, you're gonna put this in the running?
No.
There needs to be categories.
No. We,
No, for real.
No. No, we need to have one Suavecito beer of the night, and we
I know, but in this case,
no.
there's so many beers.
Listen, we're gonna have to stay true to what we do here. Okay. All right. What do? We drink beer and we like it and we don't like it and we rate it. So that's what we're doing now. So Monday Night Brewing, listen, this is a super, super good beer, no doubt. But okay, for the I don't even know what we're doing. For the never mind. Okay, so what
It's home office.
Okay, our home office. Okay, so they're checking on. God, thumb on your neck there, old home office. But anyway, okay, all right. So let's back up. Let's do what we do. All right. So we got two things. We got Suavecito beer of the night, and that is gonna go to.
Wait, we still have to vote on it. We got a bunch in the cooler.
No, we drank everything in the cooler.
I know, but we need to vote which one.
Okay, all right. So, so what we're going to do is yes, no. Is it in the running? Okay. Yes, no. Yes. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to put it in there. All right. So this is like the playoffs right now. Okay. All right. I'm going to say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we got 2 in there already, and then we're gonna go Chandelure. Very good beer.
Nah.
Not in the running though. It's still good. It's still good though. The prickly pear, Goza bear, whatever there. Nope,
It was
not in
good.
the.
It was good. What do you think?
Listen, well, no, it's good, but I don't think it's in the running for the Suavecito beer of the night.
Mm.
Okay, all right, of the week. So good, but not in it. Lower Alabama. God, I don't know. I'm gonna put that one in. That one's in. Okay.
Yes.
Sun Lab.
Yes.
Sun Lab.
Yes.
That's in the running. So we got 4 right now in the running. There's gonna be like a playoff thing. And then oh my God, blackberry blueberry smash.
I say that better than that.
Okay, all right. So we're in the running. The Artisan Urban Artifact. That's a very good beer, but not in the running this week. Maybe in a different week.
Really?
Yeah. And
Oh,
then,
wait. This is the one that made all 4 cheeks.
And then,
Yes.
yeah, in the running, absolutely. God, we got like 20 beers in the running here. All right. And then.
There's more?
No, that's all. That's it. That's all in the cooler. All right, so
do you want Monday night in there?
we got 6. No, I'm gonna make a hard call and go no. All right, let's do this right here.
This one.
Okay, all right. So we got 6 beers that are here in the running.
Let's do this one
All right,
compared to this one.
Okay, all right. Oh my God.
Do it. I say that one.
Okay, all right. I'm good with that. Okay, so the Westbrook.
You want any of this?
No, that made the semifinals. Here, Lower Alabama, and that.
No, that's a.
They have to beat everything if it's
This
going to be
one.
good. Okay. Ooh, I can go Sun Lab.
Goodbye.
Sun Lab is in. Okay, so all right. So now we got to make hard choices here. Cordial Offering and Moon Pie. You want to take a sip?
Well, I'm gonna say moon pie, but
I'm going Moon Pie.
oh God, you can't. I was afraid of that.
Yeah, Moon Pie.
You can't taste raspberry.
Moon Pie's in. So all right, we're down to 3. All right, so let's just make the hard choices right here.
No, well, let's taste them.
Okay.
Here,
all right.
you got one more over there.
Well, okay. All right, so we got these 3 right here.
See what it tastes like right now.
Okay. All right. Let me dump this right here.
My God, look at your cup.
I know my pour out cup is like up to the rim here. Okay. What are we doing? Man, the tension is getting high here. This is just this is so
Okay,
exciting.
Hurry up, drink.
I need your pour out. I need your pour out cup. Okay. All right. So, hell, I forgot where we're at. What are we doing? That or this? Okay.
No. You just.
Okay. I just had
You
that.
just-
Never mind that one. All right. Oh, that's good. I'm sorry, Westbrook. That one's out. Sun Lab is in. We're down to 2. Do you concur?
Yeah.
We're down to 2.
See, this is why we need categories, because I
the
can't
thing
decide
about-
between
these are
that one and that
2
one.
Very
If you want to tell me
different-
it's sour, it's
These
that.
are very different beers. Well, no, we're going with the beer. We're going with the beer. Okay, so we have Moon Pie, and we got the Sun Lab Sour. All right.
Why are you tasting out of the can?
God, that's good. Okay, I made my choice. I've made my.
Mine's this.
Initially, I would have said this, but if you're on this, I'm good with it. I mean, I cannot fault
Yes.
that. Moon Pie
Listen,
Chocolate.
it has kept its taste.
Moon Pie Stout, which is
I can't believe
basically,
you voted a stout.
basically,
Oh my dear.
I know, isn't that awesome? I know, baby. The Moon Pie Chocolate Moon Pie Stout, which is basically they took a whole pack of graham crackers and crumbled it up and put it in there, and made that.
Listen, it's kept its taste the whole night. This one's good, but you don't taste as much marshmallow
Amen.
anymore.
Listen, the ones that made the final, that 6 or 14 that made the finals,
Yeah, I mean they were really good.
all of them are really, really good. But the Moon Pie, you win. Beer of the night.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh. Suavecito, beer of the week. Moon Pie from Naked River Brewing in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Hell yeah.
Moon Pie, you knocked it out of the
You
park.
deserved it.
Yes, amen. That is, amen. Amen. Oh, and I'm not supposed to do that anymore.
Yeah.
But Moon Pie, Naked River Brewing, Suavecito, beer of the week, right there. Moon Pie, good job. Listen, Naked River, you'll be getting a notification and probably a plaque and that kind of stuff. Not really, but
Maybe you do this one.
so ours is yeah. All right. So then we also have, and I know this is what everybody's waiting for because this is for our individuals, the subscriber of the week.
Oh, stop that.
No. Well, that's like the drum roll for
Right.
it. Okay. Thomas Smith. Thomas Smith, you are the subscriber of the week, and you have won a rain poncho. Rain poncho. There you go, right there. Look at that. That will be on your. That will be in your possession
Look at
here
that. There's a woman's
in
tool.
just a few in a few days.
You're lucky you didn't win a broom.
The rain poncho. There you go, Thomas. I'll be getting that to you. And listen, I will, because we're not trying to hide anything. Thomas Smith is a coworker of mine, and it doesn't hurt to be a coworker to get subscriber of the week. You will be getting the rain poncho. Rain poncho.
If you have a bike, that's what it's good for.
Oh, that would be even better, Thomas. You need to get you a bike and wear your rain poncho during your bike ride. So that's it right there. So, all right. So we want to thank, first of all, we want to thank Bull Feathers Barbershops, downtown Madison, Westside Huntsville, and Bailey Cove.
Oh, especially this one.
Bailey Cove and Suavecito pomade, which, listen, has given us wonderful.
And this brewery right here.
Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Look at that tap.
Cerveza-cito.
It's a beer bottle.
That is awesome. That is so freaking awesome. From Santa Ana, California, Cerveza-cito, which is beer house, house of beer.
Home of beer.
Yeah, home of beer.
Uh-huh.
That's where beer lives, right there. So listen, thank you, Thomas, for being a subscriber. Thank you for Suavecito pomade, which incidentally is awesome pomade. I use it myself, and we use it in the barbershops, and that is really awesome stuff. Thank you, Leslie, for hooking us up with some stuff, and we have stuff headed for you.
Thank you, Moon Pie.
Thomas Smith, we have
Oh,
stuff
my
headed for
God.
you. Naked River, thank you for making Moon Pie, and that, yes, and okay, so that's it. So, okay, I'm going to work on my ending. Okay, so that's Friday Night Beer Tasting for this week. We appreciate y'all joining in, and we'll see y'all next week. How was that? Oh, yeah. All right.